DocuSign e-signature offers a wide selection of field types with customizable field properties to support your workflow needs. In this video, we'll look at common recipient fields and how to use them. After you've added documents and recipients to an envelope, click Next, Add Fields to add and assign recipient fields. These fields direct each recipient where to sign or add additional information during the signing process. Start by selecting a recipient from the drop-down menu. Each recipient is assigned a color that matches the fields added to the envelope. Only recipients who need to take action on the agreement are listed. This menu includes sender fields, previously called pre-fill fields, that allow you to add information to the envelope before sending. Depending on your account, you may see options for standard fields and recommended fields, which are based on the type of document you're preparing. For your first recipient, select one of the libraries from the drop-down menu on the Fields pane. The most commonly used fields are found in the Standard Fields library. Depending on your account, you may also see Salesforce fields, previously called Merge fields, Custom fields, and Data verification fields. Locate a field you wish to assign to the recipient and drag and drop it to the desired location. Individual field menus offer various quick actions. You can switch recipients, make fields optional or required, copy or delete fields, or launch the Properties pane for more granular settings. You can also use the toolbar to undo or redo actions, copy and paste fields, adjust the viewing size, and access the Line tool for strike-throughs, and Smart Sections for use with responsive signing. Some fields, such as signature, initial, and date signed, are simply placed on the document, while others may require additional configuration. Let's look at a few examples. The name and email fields pre-populate with data previously added for a recipient. The full name of the recipient will be displayed by default. Or, click the field to open the Properties pane, where you can select to show either the first name or last name instead. When you assign the company or title fields, the data pre-populates if the recipient's email address is associated with a DocuSign account, and if that information can be disclosed. If this information isn't available, the recipient enters it manually. Text fields are used to collect various types of data. Most commonly, they're left blank for recipients to manually enter the requested information. Text fields can also be added from the Sender Fields library for envelopes that require pre-filled information before sending. The number field is used to record numeric values with separators, or when you want to include currency values, a currency symbol, and the currency code. If these formatting options are not necessary, use a text field instead. The checkbox field can be added to your document as a single box or a group of multiple boxes. If multiple boxes are added, you can set a validation rule to enforce the number of boxes a signer can or must select. With checkbox values, you can enter optional text that is shown to signers and is included in the envelope data. You can also pre-select the checkbox for the recipient, which they can leave selected or uncheck when they sign. Use the drop-down field when you want the recipient to choose only one value from a list of options. After adding the drop-down field, click Edit Data Values to enter the list items. You can also choose if you want a default option to display. Radio buttons offer another method of limiting a recipient's choice to only one selection from a group of options. After adding the default radio group of 2, click the plus sign to add additional buttons. Under Radio Button Values, enter the options that will display for your signer. Once you've finished adding fields, click Preview to ensure your fields are set up correctly before sending the envelope.